Hey guys, it's Chloe and welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure many of you have seen the trend going around YouTube called I tried following a blank makeup tutorial. You know what might be better? If I try to follow a crazy DIY. They look really cool to watch, but most people don't actually try them. I was looking for like the craziest slime videos and I found this one by Karina Garcia where she like made this giant wubble bubble slime stress ball. I thought, you know what, why not? Like, this is my time. Karina Garcia, I'm going to try to do your video. I challenge you to do my Jello aquarium. I love this YouTube trend. I feel like it's awesome because you're also like showing support to other fellow YouTubers, and we don't do that enough, so I'm excited. Also, since this is a slime video, I thought this would be a perfect time to announce that I made a slime page! So I post some of my slime stuff for my slime videos there, but I also repost a lot of stuff. It's just like a great community bonding slime sesh. Go follow it. It's called Slime with Chloe. I will link it below. And I will be following back people who go follow it right now. And for today's 10-second challenge, I want you guys to give this video a like, turn on my notifications, press subscribe if you're not already, and comment below your favorite YouTuber in the time it takes me to watch one of my slime videos. So let's go make this giant stress ball. Alright guys, so it is time to make a giant wubble bubble slime squishy stress ball.
Ooh, this is the coolest stress ball ever! I love fluffy slime.
I want to hold that right now.
Do it. Alright, so here's my wubble bubble. These things are so cool. It's like so super stretchy.
Wow! Oh my god. I've literally never felt one of these before. Wow. Who needs slime when you have this?
So it actually comes with this, why didn't it come with it? Usually it comes with a straw or something to kind of like puncture it.
I didn't get a straw. Hold up. I didn't get a straw.
And it didn't even come with that. Oh, just kidding.
Oh, there it is.
It's such a little hole. I feel like with something like this though, you kind of gotta rip it because there's no way your hand's gonna fit in there just like that, you know? You gotta like tear it up a little bit.
Oh! I just ripped it. We are undersupplied. She already had like a giant 100-pound batch of extra slime laying around. We're gonna take a pause here and go on a little trip to Target. We need some shaving cream. Ooh, got it. Casually wearing my tiara in Target. It's fine. Wow, this lighting is great. Ooh, also might as well get some cold medication while I'm at it. Okay, we're back and ready to shoot. 3, 2. Alright everyone, we are back and we are better. And we're gonna pour 2 gallons of this. This is my friend Becca, everyone. Is this what you thought you'd be doing on your Saturday? I can't say I did. Glue is sold out at Target.
Is it really?
Yeah, because of the slime sensation.
Now we're just gonna put some food coloring in here.
Okay, she's putting pink food coloring. I kind of want to do a different color because the bubble's pink. Maybe I should do purple. Ooh, oh, I'm so excited about this. I got these food colors on Amazon. You can buy purple, you can buy light blue. I feel like a witch, mixing up my cauldron. I was like a monkey. Okay, she needs 3.5, but this is like twice as much, 6.5. I love how I'm literally following her exact measurements. She probably did not expect that someone was gonna do this. I feel like Katy Perry. Katy Perry, yeah. Let's see how high we can make this. It doesn't look like she put this much. Ooh, I'm about to dive in. Bonding together.
But like, she like picked hers up. She was like, this is my child.
I'm not sure if Karina struggled this much. She didn't show it in her video. And having a panic attack. Okay, we're getting close, but we've gone through like 2 bottles of contact solution and My arms hurt so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, can we put and I can't even escape. Like, I can't go take a break if I wanted to. Like, this slime is part of me now. We're getting close. Now I think I just need to, like, knead it for a little. It's been like an hour, I feel like, since we've been doing this. I don't know. Oh no, I'm back in it. Okay, so now it is time to put the slime in the wubble bubble. I think I need someone to hold this open when I put it in. Becca, welcome back to the slime zone. I feel like I'm about to stuff the Thanksgiving turkey. Okay, it needs to be wider. My shoulders hurt. I say go all in. Oh shoot. Get her in there. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I was first watching and I was like, wow, she's really cradling this like it's like a baby or something, but you kind of want to. So I guess this is if you're like really, really in a stress situation, this would be the stress ball for you. Like, I need this ball after filming this video. It's nice. Oh my god, it's so nice. Wow. That's a good pillow.
What's in it?
Slime.
Is it gonna pop?
No.
Oh my god. It literally looks like an egg, like it's gonna hatch.
Isn't this cool? Should we try to pop it? That is it for this experiment, and I think you should all try this. Thank you, Karina, for giving me the idea. Yeah, this is awesome. Alright, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go check out my slime page on Instagram, alright? If you're bored, you watched this video, had fun, and you want to see more slimy stuff, go on my slime page. And I challenge you all to recreate one of my videos. Try following a CloeCouture, whatever. I would love to see it. It would literally make me so happy. And I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.